Now, if you're producing a radio commercial or the soundtrack for a TV commercial or mixing music with your voiceover demos, if you're a voiceover artist like myself, then many people tend to look for the duration first when they're in their stock music library. So if it's a 30-second commercial, you look for 30-second music because you want the music to end properly. You don't want it to just lazily fade out, do you? But it's easy to cut music and you don't actually have to be that accurate. If you're an audio engineer trying to cut down an album track to, say, a single duration, then obviously it has to be extremely accurate. But because it's a music bed, it's underneath the voiceover, that's why it's called a bed, then basically you can get away with a lot more. Let me show you. This is our timeline for our video advert. It's 30 seconds long, as you can see there. There's our voiceover. We want the music to end before 30 seconds. Here's our music library. It happens to be Storyblocks, other ones are available. And the producer wants this particular track, but look, it's 2 minutes 36. No problem. After downloading the track, I've brought it into Premiere Pro or any video editing program. It'll be exactly the same method. This is a quick and easy one, and I'll show you an accurate one afterwards. So first of all, we just simply drag it on. Obviously, it's way too long, but we want to use the ending. That's where our advert finishes here. That's where the music finishes, and it goes like this. A proper ending. The ending is what we want. So we'll just simply hack it somewhere there and there. It doesn't really matter. You've just got to align this so that the ending is at the end of your voiceover. Don't worry about this bit yet. And check.
We know. We've been there too.
That's fine. No problem at all. And we'll get rid of that tail later on. So this is the issue here. But it's amazing what you can get away with. The music starts at the beginning of the spot, which is fine, but we can hide the edit under a bit of voiceover, and you can see the voiceover waveform here. If you put the edit in the middle of a gap here, it's going to be noticeable. Here, it's not going to be noticeable.
Recruitment firms and recruitment consultants that use iIntro,
no one is ever going to notice that. That's the quick and dirty method. However, if we open up the same track in a waveform editor like Adobe Audition, this is where you can be a bit more accurate and you can zoom in and just cut on the waveforms. So once you zoom in, you don't cut there, you don't cut there, you cut there. Okay? So as long as you do that and make it to 30 seconds, that'll be absolutely fine usually. It all depends on the composer, of course, and whether they've made it edit friendly. I hope you found that useful. Please check out our website, voiceovermasterclass.com, with loads more audio production techniques and video ones as well, and also lots of information for the working voiceover artist.